Welcome to ExplainCAD. In this video, we will know how to insert plane in SolidWorks. Here, front plane, top plane, and right plane are already present. We can insert more planes in SolidWorks. For inserting plane, go to Features. Here, Reference Geometry, select plane. Here it is asking about references. I take front plane in first reference. Now our plane will be created in front plane, which is offset at 10 mm. We can enter here distance which we want. Suppose I take 20 mm. It will offset from front plane at 20 mm. Here we can change its direction, reverse direction by clicking flip offset. Here we can enter number of planes in each plane. The center distance will be same. Okay, by clicking this plane and click on sketch option, we can draw anything on it. Right click, select option. Here the circle is created on this plane. Similarly, if we want to create something on this, if we want to create sketch on this, select this plane, sketch, normal. I create rectangle, center rectangle, close the sketch. Now rectangle is created on this plane. We can insert plane at any face of the part. Just select face of this part and go to plane. The plane will be automatically created. Here enter distance. Suppose I enter 25, it will create at offset up to. From here again same process, flip offset. Okay. If we select two face of the part, just select this face, rotate the part, press Ctrl button and select this part face. Now insert, go to reference geometry, plane. The plane will be created in between both faces. The plane will be created in the center of the both faces. Okay, we can also create plane by a line. Suppose we create a sketch of line. Come back from the sketch. Now go to reference geometry, select plane. Here it is asking about first reference. Select this line. Now it is asking about second reference. Select this point. Okay, the plane will be created at this point of the line. So this is the basic tutorial of inserting plane in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.